Hello, good morning. My name is Teudis Plaza. I work in the International Student Office and I want to show you today the system in order to apply for the transfer process in our university. First of all, you have to go to transfer.unimed.eu and then you will find the first page in order to allow you to log in the system. If you don't have any login, you need to click here in register now and you can start the process. Fill this very easy form with your first name, last name, your email address, and you can choose any password you desire. For sure, you have to read and accept the privacy disclaimer, and if you want to check the document, you can click here and open the right document with all the informations regarding it. Then you click register and you will receive an email to your folder, your private box, and you have to validate the email in order to can continue the process. Then you will enter in the system and you will find 7 different pages during the process. The first one regard the personal data, and you have to write your first name, your last name, the date of birth, your primary citizenship, and if have it, the secondary citizenship, your gender, male or female, the code of your country. You have to scroll down in the numbers, or you can write plus, and for example, for Spain, 34, and you find directly the right code number. Then you have to write here your mobile number, the Skype address if you want, the specifics about your address in your home country, and about your country here. Then you can save and continue in order to go to the second page where you have to fill the form regarding the presentation of the application for evaluation. It's so easy because all of you will come from the Department of Biomedical Sciences and Medicine and Surgery field. And you have to decide here in which year you would like to transfer to. We have places in the second one, in the third one, and in the fourth one. If you want to apply for different years, you can do it filling one application for for every year. So if you will have only 1 year to do, one application is enough. In other case, you will have to upload one application for 1 year and one for the other one. Okay, you can click save and continue, and we have here the part when you declare your admissions. So the name of the incoming university. In order to go faster, I fill the fields before and I say, for example, that I arrived from example university. For sure it's invented. This university, it was in the United States. You can scroll down all the countries or write which kind of country you want. Okay, UK or all the countries in the world. The name of your degree course, and important for us, in which language is your incoming degree course taught. How many years does your incoming degree course last? For example, this one is 6, like in our university, and I want to enroll, for example, here in the second one. In that case, the person is Italian and was last year in United States, so the level of Italian is mother tongue. You can click excellent, good, basic, or none. And the same thing for English. I want to remember you that the course here is in English, so it's important to have an excellent level in English to can enter so good in the track here in the unit. Save and continue, and here we start the important part for you. I wrote here an example, a sample, because this is the part where you have to declare the exams. Okay, so you can add a new exams and you can find the form. I only open the previous exam because I filled the form before, but it's the same field that you will have empty at the beginning. Okay, so in the first part we have the exams you have taken in your current university. So for example, this exam sample one is one of the exams you have taken in your current university. You take part, or in this case, me, I take this exam in the academic year 2021. I passed the exam 7 of June 21, and this exam had 6 credits. The vote, I was in the United States, so the vote was 8, the best one, because I'm a good student, and I have taken this exam in the second year. Why this question? University of origin where the exam was taken. This one is invented university for sure, is a sample, but in some cases the students have the exams in different universities. So if you have taken all the exams in the same university, here you will repeat for all the exams your current university. But if you maybe have had a previous experience in other university, you can also add the exam you have taken in different places. Okay. Then after I write this first exam, I have to upload the syllabus. The syllabus is the document who explain which kind of arguments you studied in this specific exam. So here you have to upload the PDF document who can help us to understand what you did in this specific exam. So don't upload all the syllabus you have. We want that you upload only the specific syllabus for this specific exam. If you received a big file from your current university, you need to divide the file in different files in order to allow us to have here the specific syllabus of, in that case, exam sample 1, or all the exams you will upload in this page. Okay. Here, I close this one in to clear for you the situation or clarify better. You have this green box when you can read at Humanitas University corresponding exam. What it means? You have to compare your exam and your syllabus with the syllabus that we have in our university and our study plan, and put here, insert here, which is the corresponding exam in our study plan. So if you find which is this exam, you click the green box and answer these easy questions. Year of the course in which the exam take place in our university. For example, I want to say here first year. Okay. Which is the name of this exam? For example, the second one, building bodies. and which is the module. So for example, bio16 anatomy. Then you can save and close, or if your exam, simple one, correspond different exams in our university, you can also choose here and click again at Humanitas University corresponding exam, because the syllabus you had in your university, for example, is so big. You study a lot in these exams, and you find that you can't say that is a corresponding exams have different possibilities as a corresponding exams in our university. You can also add another exam here in Humanitas University. So in the first case, it corresponds to building bodies and anatomy. Okay, and here you can also say that correspond and a part or totally part in another exam in the second year. For example, the name could be Body at Work 1, and the module is neuroanatomy. Okay, if it's enough for these exams, you can save and close. Okay, and you have to fill this part for every exam you have done in your university. We have here at the moment one exam, but at the end of this process, at the end of this part, declaration exams, you will have to be here all the exams you have taken in your university. When you finish and upload everything, you can click save and continue in order to go ahead. Okay. Here you have to upload the attachments or the documents. For example, the first one is curriculum. I upload here something. As you can see, you will find empty, and you can upload all the documents you have in your laptop. The second one is mandatory, because you find this sign here is the ID or passport, a copy. The third is mandatory motivational letter. The fourth one is current study plan. The study plan is a document that you can get in your current student office, where explain which subjects you have in every year in your university. We need the entire study plan of your university, not only the study plan of the year you want to follow here, or the years you attended in your university, but we need all the study plan from the first year to the last year. Then the exam transcripts. What's the transcript document? Is the document where your current university prove that you have done this specific exam with the mark, the date, the credits, and the clock hours of this exam. So if you have taken, for example, 3 exams, you will have a page with these exams and all the specifics about every one of them. Okay, it's so important in order to understand your averages and your career in your previous university. And from here, you have 2 different possibilities to upload not mandatory documents. For example, the language certification or other documents you can think that could be important for us. And when you finish this form, you can save and continue. We are almost finished. You have to confirm here in the part 6 that all the informations you filled are okay. You can here have a summary of your application with all the informations you registered. Okay, if you are confident with everything, if you think that everything is okay, you can close and go ahead, or you can return back in the point that you want to correct, second point, third point, or all the needs all the information you have to correct. The last one, you have to click again in Save and Continue, and then you only have to pay. Click in Proceed to Payment, and then you can pay with PayPal, or here you can pay with a credit card. So you have two different possibilities. When you will finish the process, I cannot go ahead here, but when you will finish the process, you will receive back in your folder an automatic email who say to you that you have finished the process and every document is analyzed from the International Student Office. The call for application will be open till the end of July. So you will have time to the end of July to modify your application or upload new exams. After the end of July, it won't possible to upload any more exams or more documentation. After the end of the call for application, after the deadline of the call for application, we will take some time to analyze all the candidates we will receive, and we will publish the ranking in the middle of September 20. Thank you so much to follow this webinar. If you have any type of answer here in the part of this page, you can find two different emails: support@stunimed.eu if you have technical needs about the application, about the software here, or you can write to transfer@unimed.eu if you have any question about the application, about the documents you need, or any type of question regarding the call for application. Thank you to be here. Good luck and have a nice day.